everybody, I decided I'm in heaven. It's my new glasses. And I decided to reinvent myself. I walked into Dusa. It's a wonderful place, and this great lady called Shavi has a new product. It's called mermaid. איך זה נקרא שאני אומרת לה? Mermaid bowl. Mermaid bowl. This amazing lady has invented it. Shavi, תגידי שוב hi. Hi. This is the genius who invented this. There. And I'm going to taste it and tell you. אני בערוץ שיש לי ערוץ. Wait. Bear with me. I only have one hand. You can see the energy here. Can you see? Great pressed juice. I decided I've had enough coffee. I'm in a new age of being healthy, and I would love to work here. So I'm eating blue things, and my last name actually means blue in Dutch. So let me see. Wow. Very good. See? There's all kinds of... It contains also some seeds. It's really yummy. This blue algae is absolutely really good. Don't forget you are what you eat. So I'm a blue spirulina. Great food. Very good. Bye. Peace.